Hello, it's Doug, the 2-Minute Gardener. It's going to be an exciting day because today's the day we got to crane this big swim spa over a house. Yeah, my clients decided to go with the big one. Go big or go home. In this case, they go big and brought it home. So this is an 1,800-pound swim spa. It's a jacuzzi that has lots of different features that allow for exercising, but it's going in the backyard and there's an EDU in the way. So the only way to get it back there into its little nesting spot is to bring in a crane and lift it. But here's the other challenge. We got all kinds of wires. We have to lift this thing carefully around. So this was a giant old crane from Atlas Cranes here in San Diego. And they did a great job. They hooked this baby up and very, very carefully lifted around all the wires. That was task number one, to get it over that wire and around those other wires, and then start slowly maneuvering it over the ADU and get it into the backyard. So this was about a 50-foot reach from the street to get it over the ADU and the garage into its little nesting place. And they're going a little slower than this video shows. I sped up the video just to make it seem more exciting. And at one point they got it very close to this shed, but these guys are pros. And now it's time to drop it into its little concrete trough. We built this trough because they wanted to sink the swim spa about 18 inches below the grade. This thing's 36 inches tall, and by sinking it, it makes it a lot easier to get into, right? We're still going to build a little deck around it with some stairs and, make it just a fabulous backyard resort. You'll see those videos in the coming weeks. But here it's nestled in its spot. Time to unwrap it and fine-tune everything. That's all for now. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment for me. Let me know how this worked for you. And good luck with your landscape project.